This is 1989 JAM question. The pressure on the gas of a constant gas thermometer at the ice point is 325 millimeter mercury, and at the steam point, 875 millimeter mercury. Find the temperature when the pressure of a gas is 490 millimeter mercury. When you look at this, that means we are talking about heat, temperature, and this measurement. For you to solve this, you need to draw a little sketch so that you'll be able to get it correct. Now, looking at this, let's assume that this one is for pressure and why this one is for temperature. Now, this is at the ice point is what? 325 millimeter what? Mercury. Maybe somewhere here we have the ice point 325 millimeter what? Mercury. Then, and at the steam point, you know that steam should be the highest point. That means we have 875 millimeter what? Mercury. Then that's the find the temperature when the pressure of this gas is. That means 490 should be in between 875 millimeter mercury and 325 millimeter mercury. Let's assume that our 490 is here, and this is the 490 millimeter what? Mercury. Now, you know the temperature of the ice is something as what? 0 degree centigrade. And the temperature of the steam water is 100 degrees centigrade. And here is the temperature when this pressure is at what? 490 degrees. Let's assume that is what? Let's call it T. Let's call it as what? T. Okay, now, you know that this centigrade, you need to convert Celsius to what? Kelvin. In converting it to Kelvin, that means we have it's the same thing as what? 273 Kelvin. So why the 100 degrees centigrade? In converting to Kelvin, it's the same thing as what? 373 Kelvin. Now, what are you going to do? You apply the formula here now. That means this minus this all over this minus this. So that means we have 490 minus 325 all over 875 minus 325. 875 minus 325 equals to, you are going to repeat the same thing here. That means we have T minus 273 all over 373 minus 273. Okay, now when you look at this now, 490 minus 325 will give us 165. So that means we have 165 all over 875 minus 325 will give us 550. That means we have 550 here equals to, you write down your T minus 273 all over 373 minus 273 will give us 100. What are you going to do? You cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, that means we have our what? T minus 273. T minus our 273. This will go with it. This will go with this. That means this side that's what equals to 165 times 100 divided by 550. So what are you going to do next? Cancel this, cancel this. 55 divided itself will give you 1. 55 goes into 165 to give you 3. So that means we have our t minus 273 equals to 3 times 10 there will give you 30. So what are you going to do? You make your t the subject of the formula. T equals to 30. When this negative sign crosses the right side, become what? Positive. Plus 273. That means our t equals to what?